In this short video, I'll show you how to display a video inside text using the background reveal title in DaVinci Resolve. Initially, I demonstrated how to place a video inside plain text, but I later discovered that DaVinci Resolve offers a built-in title designed specifically for this effect, background reveal. Here's how to use it. Place your video on video track 1, go to the Effects panel, click on Titles, and select Background Reveal. Drag the background reveal title onto video track 2, ensuring it matches the length of your video by resizing it accordingly. Select the text layer and open the inspector panel. Enter the desired text where the video will be displayed. Increase the text size to fit the screen. Move the timeline to the start and play the video. Your video will now appear inside the text. And that's it. A simple and effective way to create this cool effect in DaVinci Resolve.